Subliminals can be used for a variety of purposes. One of those purposes is to replace old habits with new ones. In the past, creating new habits required pure willpower. No more. Over time, subliminals create new internal structures in your mind and brain, which then lead to new behavior. This does take a considerable amount of time, at least 21 days or longer of consistent usage of the subliminals. Meanwhile, it's still important to manually create good habits for yourself. Subliminals are very effective and convenient for creating new habits for yourself. You can simply choose the one you want, press play, and go about your day. With NeoOneness Subliminals, you can get an audio subliminal tailored to your desires. Starting at only $24, you can get a custom audio subliminal for yourself now. Visit our website now by clicking on the link in the description of this video.